iPhone 11 with no service and no Wi-Fi repair. The first thing we do is remove the motherboard from the phone, apply alcohol, and remove the foams covering the connectors. After that, we place it on the preheater and separate the two layers. As we separate them, we notice 3 traces on the bottom motherboard have come off from the upper motherboard. Moving to the upper board, you can see these are the damaged traces. We clean the solder from all the traces to prepare for repair. Next, we check the lines using a multimeter in diode mode to ensure the lines are functional and not grounded. After confirming, we apply alcohol and carefully use a scalpel to expose the copper in the lines. Now, using pre-cut jumper wires, we rebuild the damaged traces by soldering them in place. Once the soldering is complete, we clean the area with alcohol and apply UV mask to secure the traces and prevent any movement. After that, we prepare the lower motherboard through a process called reballing. We place the lower board in a stencil holder, fill the holes with solder paste, and then apply heat to form the solder balls, ensuring a proper connection for reassembly. After the reballing process, we place the motherboard back on the preheater, apply flux, and then reattach the 2 layers of the motherboard. Finally, we reassemble the phone, insert the SIM card, and power it on. As you can see, the phone now has signal and the Wi-Fi is fully functional. Thank you for watching.